He took the opportunity to yell at our cameras every chance he got. He believes the police and the government are out to get him. In fact, he admitted in court that he has filed a lawsuit against President Obama because he says the president isn't preventing police from attacking him. It's something that I and even the assistant district attorney say we've never seen before.
I want to do an interview. I want all the women and children that were used to take their shoes off and tease me to come forward. They were used by the RPD.
It's clear Anthony Perri has a lot to say. Assistant District Attorney Bill Gargan says he's never heard anything like it.
Unusual, I think, for any prosecutor in the country. And I say that given the length at which he was able to speak regarding his thoughts.
That's because Perri's rantings continued in the courtroom. Judge James Mully allowing Perri to speak for about an hour.
Luckily, I don't have to make any comments regarding what I think of what he said.
Anybody who was used to paint their toes and bring their children, please come forward.
But more important than Perri's rantings, we got court documents describing what the victim's father and a witness saw the day police say two girls were sexually abused in the Penfield library. The father says he let his girls pick out books in the children's area, and when he went to go check on them, this is what he saw. He says, quote, "I saw my daughter standing in the book aisle and a white male was on one knee in front of her. I also saw he had a flip-flop in his hand," end quote. The witness describes what they saw like this, quote, "I observed he was rubbing and holding onto a little girl's foot and leg. The girl was crying when I saw him rubbing her leg and foot," end quote.
It's difficult to imagine the unimaginable, and that is when we have a case here involving very young children with a sex abuse.
Right now, Perri is still being held in the Monroe County Jail on no bail. The assistant district attorney says his case will probably be moved to county or Supreme Court from here. Janet.
So he's in jail. Is he charged with anything at this point?
Well, he was initially charged with 2 counts of sex abuse and endangering the welfare of a child. Now, right now, we're unsure if those charges will change once the case is moved to a higher court, but the grand jury has brought down an indictment, and we'll learn more about those charges at another date.
All right, Christine Van Timmeren live in our newsroom tonight. Thank you.